Hey guys, Technomentary will do a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable 5G on the iPhone 15 lineup here. Now, if you have iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, any of the newer 15 phone, you want to follow these steps if 5G isn't already turned on and enabled for you. And this will work on any iPhone with the latest iOS version. So let's get started by going to your setting of your iPhone, and then you want to go to cellular. Once you go into your cellular, you'll see there's an option for cellular data option or mobile data option. If you are in a region that is mobile, you're going to click on that, and once you click on it, a couple options here you'll see. The first one is voice and data. Now if you click on it and you see it's on LTE, that means you're not using 5G. So in order to use 5G, there's two different ways you can use 5G. You can have it be always on, where 5G is always on whenever it's available, or auto, so that when it's needed for performance it will turn on, which is the auto method. But either of these options will help you use 5G and turn on 5G instead of using LTE by default. Now that's one option. I recommend keeping it as auto to get the most out of it, but if you want to ensure that it's 5G all the time, just have it on as well. Keep in mind that when you do use this, if you don't have unlimited data plan, it's going to use up your data or cap it at a certain point. And then there's two other options here. If you want to use 5G standalone for all activity, you can keep this on. And then for voice over 5G, if you want that for standalone, you can turn that on as well. Now moving on to the next setting you want to also check out is data mode. Under data mode here, again, now by default, you might see that it's should be selected on allow more data on 5G, so you want that default. Now if you do standard here, that will allow automatic updates and background tests to run and might limit some of the quality of your connections. And then low data mode will reduce your 5G available connectivity. So I recommend is using allow more data on 5G, and if you want to save a little bit, you can do standard. But if you want to ensure that 5G is always on your data, just select the very first option. So these two options will ensure that your 5G data on your iPhone 15 lineup is enabled and turned on, and you're getting the best internet possible on your cellular data plan. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.